This video is about using the internet to conduct searches. The World Wide Web, the web, or shortened to www, is made up of billions of web pages distributed all across the world. To browse the web, we use applications called web browsers. There are many different web browsers. Popular web browsers include Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Safari, and Mozilla Firefox. All web browsers have the following features in common: an address bar. Here you enter or view the address of a web page. Tabs. This allows you to open multiple web pages at once in the same window. A home button. Clicking this button takes you to your home page. Back and forward buttons. Clicking these buttons allow you to navigate web pages you previously visited. And also a refresh button. Clicking this button reloads the web page you are currently on. Let's have a demonstration on effectively conducting searches and using your web browser.
Hi, my name is Malini, and in this segment, we will be looking at how to effectively conduct internet searches. Internet browsers are software programs that you can use to access the internet and look at web pages. A search engine is an online tool used to search for results on a topic. Firstly, double-click on any of the internet browsers. Then go to the address bar at the top of the screen. Enter a search engine. For example, www.google.com. Now click Enter. Type in your topic in the search box of the search engine. Click Enter and you will see a listing of websites related to your topic. When searching for information, you can improve your search results by using AND to narrow your search results, or to broaden search results. For example, students and online classes. Students or children and online classes. If you wish to search for an image or video on your topic, simply click on the images or videos link just below the search box. Always select credible sources of information. Choose websites with domain names ending with edu, education, gov, government, org, organization. Be careful of plagiarism. Plagiarism is taking someone else's work and using it as your own, and not stating or citing the source of the information.